Hello, and welcome to Re-English. In today's video, we will read one short moral stories that are simple, easy to understand, and full of important life lessons.
Each story teaches something valuable, like honesty, kindness, patience, and hard work. These stories are great for learning English and learning how to live better. Listening to stories is one of the best ways to improve your English. You learn new words, practice listening, and understand how sentences are used in real life. And because the stories are short and clear, they are perfect for beginner and intermediate learners. I will read each story slowly and clearly so you can follow along easily. You can also practice shadowing. Listen to me and repeat what I say. This will help you speak more naturally and confidently. To get the best results,
listen carefully to each story. Try to repeat after me. Think about the lesson at the end. So, are you ready to read and learn together? Let's begin with the story.
The 7 Pillars of Resilience. How to stay strong through life's challenges. The 7 Pillars of Resilience. How to stay strong through life's challenges. 1. Self-awareness. Resilience begins with understanding yourself, your thoughts, emotions, triggers, and reactions. When you recognize how you respond to stress, you gain the power to manage it instead of being controlled by it. Self-awareness helps you pause, reflect, and choose a balanced response during tough moments. 2. Self-regulation. This is the ability to stay calm and composed under pressure. It's not about avoiding emotions, but learning to manage them effectively. Deep breathing, mindfulness, and positive self-talk are key tools that help you stay grounded and think clearly when life feels chaotic. 3. Optimism. Resilient people believe that setbacks are temporary and solvable. They focus on what can be done rather than what went wrong. Optimism doesn't mean ignoring problems, it means facing them with hope and confidence that you can find a way through. 4. Mental agility. Being flexible in your thinking helps you adapt when plans fail or circumstances change. Instead of getting stuck in one perspective, resilient people look for alternative paths. This mental flexibility turns obstacles into opportunities to learn and grow. 5. Self-efficacy. Believing in your own competence builds strength. When you trust that your actions matter and that you can influence outcomes, you feel more in control of your life. This belief fuels persistence even when challenges seem overwhelming. 6. Connection and support. Strong relationships are a vital pillar of resilience. Having people you can trust, family, friends, or mentors, provides comfort, perspective, and encouragement. Asking for help isn't weakness. It's part of how resilient people recover faster. 7. Purpose and meaning. Resilience is easier when you have a why. A clear sense of purpose, family, faith, goals, or personal growth, gives direction and motivation to keep going even in difficult times. Purpose transforms pain into progress.